Well, call it a sign of the times, but more layoffs appear to be coming for WestJet. For more on that, let's go to Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver. Good morning, Tyler. It sounds like some pilots may be getting the pink slip today.
Yeah, and we don't know just how many pilots will be affected by these new layoff notices, but these dismissals, they come ahead of a March 31st expiration of a memorandum of agreement between the airline and the pilots union. Might be some negotiation tactics ahead right now. Last month, WestJet revealed that it was also letting go of 120 cabin crew as a result of flights to Mexico and the Caribbean being suspended due to the pandemic. Those layoffs going to affect this week as well. Meanwhile, Air Canada and WestJet, they're both looking to the federal government for more financial support just to keep them afloat as, the pandemic is really affecting travel as we move forward.
Yeah, absolutely. I think a lot of people are saying, okay, if you get more money from the federal government, you've got to keep more jobs. Be interesting to see how that plays out. I want to talk about this because after that GameStop craziness, a lot of people are a bit hesitant of the market, but it sounds like Robinhood, the trading app, may be going public this month. How much will that valuation be? Pretty high, I'm assuming.
Oh, very high. I was actually a little bit taken aback by this, but we have both Reuters and Bloomberg reporting that it could be as high as $20 billion US. We have Goldman Sachs actually leading the way with regards to making the company go public. And this could happen in the coming weeks, or at least the first papers will be filed in the coming weeks. Now, we do know that the frenzy over GameStop, it got Robinhood into a little bit of hot water. As a result, Robinhood suspended those trades because things were so just crazy at that time, but doesn't seem to have slowed down any of its plans to go public.
Quickly, Tyler, is this because they're in a cash crunch because of those regulatory fees that they're now being forced to pay, or has this been in the works for some time?
It's actually been in the works for some time, going back to late fall, in fact. So I don't think it has to do with anything with kind of the hot water that we're speaking about here.
Wonderful. Okay, thank you, Tyler. That's Tyler Orton from Business in Vancouver.
Thank you, Paul.